Today I will be reviewing a Lige 9899 watch. This watch is available on Amazon, on AliExpress, and I got this watch in a very beautiful Lige box. Inside the box there was the synthetic cloth for cleaning the watch, and there's the very beautiful watch itself. Its straps are leather and it has a very beautiful gold sides and black dial. On the side you can find the buttons. The strap feels very good. It feels like quality leather. Once you put on your wrist, you can't feel the difference between the watch that you bought or if you would have bought any expensive watch. Now, beside the watch, inside the box, there is a Lige catalog which has instructions and information about the watch itself. It also serves as a guarantee, but normally I don't think these watches have a guarantee or warranty once you buy from the seller online and the time runs out, like the purchase protection of 60 days or 30 days. The good thing about this watch that all the dials are working. You have the second dial on the bottom, you have on the sides the minute dials, and on the top